What would you do if you woke up one day and found yourself stranded on an uninhabited island with no food, water, or shelter? Welcome to an awe-inspiring journey of survival. Day 1. The sun rises to unveil a deserted landscape, a solitary island in the middle of nowhere. The first challenge is to find fresh water, the elixir of life. Without it, survival is impossible. Scanning the sandy beach, there's a glimmer of hope, a coconut tree. Scaling the tree requires strength and agility, but the reward is sweet, fresh coconut water. It's the first victory in this survival saga. Day 2, the stomach growls, demanding sustenance. The search for food begins. The island is abundant with life, but capturing it is no easy feat. Patience and stealth are the keys to success. After hours of waiting, a small crab becomes the unsuspecting prey. It's not a feast, but it's enough to keep the hunger at bay. The day ends with a sense of accomplishment. Day 3. The harsh realities of living exposed to the elements become apparent. The need for shelter is crucial. Using fronds from palm trees and driftwood from the shore, a rudimentary hut takes shape. It's not a cozy cabin, but it provides the much-needed protection from the elements. As the sun sets, the shelter stands as a beacon of hope amidst the desolation. Day 4. The body begins to feel the toll of the harsh survival conditions. The constant search for food and water, the burning sun, the cold nights. The only way to survive is to conserve energy. The day is spent resting in the shade, hydrating with coconut water, and eating the leftover crab. It's a day of recovery, a reminder that survival isn't just about physical strength, but also about mental resilience. Day 5, the final day on the island, the goal is to signal for help. Using the remaining energy, a large SOS is etched into the sand, visible from the sky. A fire is lit with dry palm fronds, creating a smoke signal. As the sun dips below the horizon, there's a sense of anticipation. Will anyone see the signals? In the span of 5 days, the island has transformed from a desolate landscape into a testament of human will and survival instincts. Fresh water, food, shelter, conserving energy, and signaling for help. These are the pillars of survival. It's a journey that highlights the strength of the human spirit and the will to survive against all odds. This survival journey serves as a reminder. We are stronger than we think, more resilient than we believe, and capable of overcoming the most challenging situations. It's a testament to our innate survival instincts, our adaptability, and our sheer determination. The island may be deserted, but it's far from devoid of life. It's a living, breathing testament to the indomitable spirit of survival.